Welcome. In front of me I have TCL 20 Pro, and today I'll show you the speaker sound quality test so we can check how the speakers sound in the smartphone. I'm going to play this song from Audio Library channel on YouTube. There is no copyright music, on the highest quality. So let's start. So as you can hear, that's how the speakers sound, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.